When it comes to investing on the RedSwan platform, we try to make it 3 easy steps. First, we want you to register to become a member of our platform. That's basically using your email address, and you go through with your phone number, and then you set up a username and password. So now you have access to our platform. This allows you to look at the various opportunities on our site, and you can now like it so that you can park it to come back and look at it later, or you can sign a confidentiality agreement electronically, and now that lets you look at the financial statements and all the due diligence of that site on your desktop. And from there, if you're excited about this asset and want to move forward, you can now express interest by telling us in increments of whatever the minimum increment might be. Maybe it's $12,000, maybe it's $25,000, maybe it's a $100,000 increment, but you can express interest on the level of increment that you wish to invest. And that now sends us a signal that you're interested in this property up to this value of investment. And from there, our broker-dealer division will make contact with you to talk to you more about this investment and finalize the process, which is basically having you go through a KYC process, which means know your client. And that's just basically understanding that you're not on any bad actor list anywhere in the world. And once you pass that, now you can wire your capital in, you can send in your stable coin dollars if you like, and then from there the escrow officer will close out the transaction and send your security tokens to the wallet that you've given us, or a wallet that you want to use as a centralized custodian, like Coinbase, for example. And that's it.